A Darling Library Tutorial. New Student Orientation Video, Part 3. Resources, databases, peer-reviewed, and subject headings. We start with finding articles. Articles are found in journals. Journals, electronic journals, are found in databases. A database is a collection of subscriptions to journals, magazines, and conference papers, all in a single discipline or field. We have business databases, we have Bible databases, and we have psychology databases, to name just a few. Here is our A to Z list of databases. It is found by starting at the library webpage, library.hiu.edu. From that page, click A to Z database link. To help search for specific types of resources, use the second drop-down menu. You can limit your resource types to articles, ebooks, newspapers, or data and statistics. The one labeled Alumni Free Open Access is a list of all resources available to anyone, even you after you graduate. After selecting the type of material that you need, you can choose your discipline. Now you see a list of best bets. Those were chosen by the librarians as best bets for the discipline. I recommend you read the descriptions for each database to find the one that will be most appropriate for your needs. Click the name of the database and get taken to the database itself. You may have to log in with your HIU credentials if you haven't already. Many faculty require that your articles be peer-reviewed. This chart goes over the peer review process. Peer review means that the article was submitted to a journal and the editor sends copies to peers, experts in the field. Their job is to determine if the article adds to the field of knowledge, if it needs to be improved, or if it should be published at all. The article is returned to the editor with their comments. The editor determines what should be done: publish, trash, or return to the authors for edits. Rarely does an article get published without improvements. This process improves the articles. That is why the faculty typically want these types of articles. They may also be called refereed, adjudicated, or they may call the journal academic or scholarly. These differ from magazines or trade journals in that these journals are for educational purposes and publish research. They don't have a lot of ads and they are rarely practical in nature. When searching for journal articles, it is rare that someone has an author or a specific title in mind. They're usually searching for a topic. Most people enter terms or keywords that they know into the search engine and hope to get good results. Keyword searching is one way to start a search, but it is not the best way to search. The database uses controlled vocabulary, that is, a set of terms that it uses to identify like material. These are technical terms used by the librarians and publishers. The list of subject headings can be found in the thesaurus found in most databases. Most will call it a thesaurus, but others might call it an index or something similar. Like a physical thesaurus, you start with your keyword, and it will identify the appropriate subject heading. Searching with a subject heading will result in a more precise and more concise list of results. Some of our other videos and handouts discuss how to search with subject headings. More of our tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel. Just search for HIU Library.